everyone, how are you? Let's go in the new video. It's very important. Subscribe, like, share this video e andate a pigliare in quel posto. Let's go. This is a lake, but this is closed. This is a restaurant, sorry my friend, but it is very expensive. I don't know, I know it's a touristicus. This is for tourists, but it's very expensive, my friend. See you this. See this, my friends. See this, my friends. This is this bridge, little bridge. Sorry, my friend. This is a little bridge. It's for a memory metropolitan tram. I don't know very well. I don't know very well history. I don't know very well history, but this is important. It's important in this bridge. When you come here, one photo here. It's very good. It's very good. This is not a this is a restaurant, but I don't like. It's so expensive. Little people eat here. Little people. The name is Robinson. See you the menu, my friend. See the menu. Sauce. 7 euro. See this, my friend. Sorry, my friend. See this, my friend. See this, my friend. See this, my friend. Steak. 36 euro. No. This is very good, my friend. This is very funny. See, my friend. See this. It's beautiful. Etterem restaurant Hungary is Etterem. Restaurant is beautiful, but don't like. I don't like so. This is funny. This is funny. This is funny. This is a restaurant, sorry my friend. This is a restaurant. Now it's closed because this is a problem. Pandemicus. I don't know why, because this lake, this is a little lake, it's very good at summer and winter. I don't know, because now don't have a water. I don't know. This lake is very nice. So my friend, this video is finished. It's very important. Like, subscribe for more video, all day more video, share e ciao verimmu, ciao belli!